Okay, changing plan. So the aluminum is going back up, and the main reason is I can't get it off. Not easily, anyways. It's going to be. So it appears, if we look in here, that the aluminum comes down about an inch. Probably is tacked in at that point, and then the siding went up to it. Now that wasn't the case here because the awning was still on when they did it, apparently. So this is okay. It does. It makes the decision. The aluminum will go back on. I'm hinging it down because I can't pull it out, so I can just hinge it down. It is kind of nice in that all the paint chips are going into it, so then I can just clean it out from here, and I don't have to. Not many are escaping. They're all just landing right here. So that's kind of cool. I think I still have enough room to put a board up in here, and then I'd put my board here before the aluminum goes back up. I don't think I'm going to be able to do one in there, unless over here I can, because I'm going to have to do this aluminum here. Now there is a piece of this downstairs, but honestly I think I'll just make an L there and screw it in and then paint it to match everything else, and it should look fine. So I don't think I'm going to use the piece downstairs. I suppose I could, but it looks like it's nailed in right here, and probably every once in a while it's got a nail like right over there. So I could pull it out, but it's not really that important. I can put a piece there anyways. Okay, so I'm going to call it quits for tonight. That way I can sleep on this. I'm pretty sure I know what I'm going to do. Pretty sure I'm going to put a piece of hemlock right here, like a 1x4. Screw it up in, and then I'll get a measurement, and it looks like I got an inch there, and I'll put maybe like a 1x6. Screw that in, and then that'll go inside the drip edge, and then I'll probably have to put one more out here, or maybe not. I'll have to see what I'm going to nail my rafters into. Seems like I'd want to put one more layer, so I have 2 inches there to nail to. But I can think about that. Okay, so we're gaining. We'll get this all back in shape. That's my goal. And then my goal will be to go over there and take down the rest of that eaves trough to the other corner and do the same thing there. Clean all that, put the boards in, put the aluminum back up. Then I can come back here and start my rafters for the porch roof, which will go out over the whole thing. So that'll be pretty cool. And I got some ideas how I can, usually I'm working alone, so I got some ideas how I can continue doing that without having help holding the rafter up. Okay, so let's call it on this project for tonight. I can sleep on it. Pretty sure I know what I'm doing, but kind of like to give it one night's, a thought before I totally make the decision. The last thing I want to do is start doing something and then sleep on it and then decide, no, I got a better idea, and then rip it out. So, and believe me, it's happened before. Okay, call it on this one. We're gaining though.